So Nnamdi Kanu has decided today that he does not have any case to answer. Like, he's not going to defend himself. But guess what? Let me break the issues for you. Let's say, for example, now federal government arrested you. So as they arrest you, they no come fit decide say you really do something. They don't really know what you do. So they couldn't handle it, and they decided that yes, they want to bring you to the court of law. And so they come bring you to the court of law. So now the federal government don't bring you to the court of law. And according to Nigerian constitution, when there's an allegation, the person that that they are giving that putting that allegation on must be left to prove or defend himself. Understand? So when it got to the time for Nnamdi Kanu to defend himself, Nnamdi Kanu just sack all the lawyers. The man shock you, but he shocked me too. He can sack all the lawyers. He sack all the lawyers after they have already say that he did this and that. The person that laid the allegation on him don't bring all your witnesses, because in the Nigerian law you are allowed to bring your witnesses, say everything you want to say, then before the other person can start defending himself. So Nnamdi Kanu was expected to defend himself in that court of law, but he decided to sack his lawyers. These lawyers that Nnamdi Kanu sacked, no be kuruche lawyers. We are not talking about small. We are talking of big lawyers, serious senior lawyers. He sacked them, and guess what he said? Or was his reason of sacking them? He said he won't handle the case by himself. Like, he wants to handle the case by himself. No wonder, whenever there is according to Nigerian constitution, you are allowed to be your own lawyer. So Nnamdi Kanu was allowed to be his own lawyer. Now why we say Nnamdi Kanu does the shout? I don't notice. It's not like I'm talking bad against him, but like, you can't notice saying Nnamdi Kanu come the shout because he's trying to defend his own self by himself without the help of any lawyer. To cut the long story short, they gave Nnamdi Kanu the opportunity to defend himself, but he said that his documents and files are not complete. So because of that, they had to adjourn the case, that is to shift the case to yesterday, which was Monday. They shifted the case to yesterday, which was Monday, and on coming to Monday, Nnamdi Kanu said that he know they do again, that he's not defending again. Guess why? That there is no legal accusation against him, and they have not been able to prove anything. You see, that man get wisdom, but that man get wisdom. You understand? Even though according to Nigerian constitution, they said that even if there are no legal accusation or anything, that it is actually left for the judge to decide, not for the accused. Or you understand? But Nnamdi Kanu didn't want to wait for the judge because he knows that those people with partiality. No, that the government don't even have anything against. They don't even have anything against this man. Just that the federal government is bringing up different cases, just because they don't want him to go. Just because they don't want this man to go. One that they don't even know what he did. Say what exactly did he do? Say they don't know what he did, but they don't want to leave him to go. The justice behind Nnamdi Kanu's case is Justice Omotosho Omotola, they call himself. Yeah. So it's actually the one that they said is supposed to make that to say if Nnamdi Kanu is should be free with all the accusation that is laid up against him. He's the one that will say he should go free or not. But Nnamdi Kanu said no, that he's not defending anything again. Even at that, Nnamdi Kanu was even very angry with some reporters. He was parrying. No, he was shouting at, quarreling about some reporters that were absent. Just watch that one. Watch that part.
Yeah, this event. I'm not watching.
Where's the lying news agency of Nigeria? They're here. Those liars and deceivers. Are they here? That distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's the news agency of Nigeria? What are they? You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that? That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that?
Now become an uncle like me. I tell no say news agency. Oh, the unity for there. Anyway, after he decides, I ain't the share after he decides,
To cut the long story short, free Nnamdi Kanu, please. Federal government, Nigeria, free Nnamdi Kanu. That man has done nothing. He has done nothing. Free him and go and look for people to fight. You have so many bandits to fight in the bush, so many kidnapping cases going on. No, you guys are bent on just arresting this man. They came for protest. No, you brought a lot of soldiers that are supposed to be sent into these bushes to go and stop these terrorists and all these bandits. No, what they are bent on doing is stopping people from protesting. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu.